Hello. Now we are going to see the unit 2 of semester 2nd. In the previous video, we have seen and went through the correspondence, the first unit of this semester 2, in which that we have seen the letter of inquiry, letter of order, letter of complaint. We just overlooked that. The letter of inquiry that we had gone through in detail, and we have seen the format and the structure of letter writing. Now we are going to look or go through the application writing, which constitutes or consists of four types of applications. The first one is a application letter for TC. Second one is application letter for job, means application for job, not a kind of letter it is. CV writing, which is another thing which that we attach with the application for job, and then proposal writing. And we now will focus on the letter for TC and job. As we know that we study in schools and colleges, and sometimes a time comes in our life that we should migrate from one place to another, or we should take out admission from one college and admit our name into the another college or institute. At that time, at that moment, that we should write the application for TC. TC means transfer certificate. For this purpose that we write an application. And this is a formal or official letter, as this name suggests us. And if we look at the format, that given in your textbook, that you might have gone through the textbook, that it's a PDF file that I have sent on the group. Given there are formal letter requesting a transfer certificate to a different school, then formal letter requesting a transfer certificate for higher studies, and informal letter requesting a transfer certificate for personal reasons. These three kinds of application letter are given for our understanding. The format of the application letter is will remain or is the same, as it starts with the dear sir, madam, or with name, and then you start formally that according to the question, what type of question is given. If it is the demand is about going to the different schools, then for higher studies and personal reason. These are the reasons given in the book. And firstly, that you should write dear sir, madam, or Mr. or Mrs. Then formal body starts of the application letter as it is given here. Let me read out 4 lines for you, 2 or 3 or some lines for you, that this is of a personal letter of request for the transfer certificate for personal reasons. Dear Mr. Rao, I hope this letter finds you well. This is the application, okay, the common start sometimes we call it the informal start of the letter, that you are more familiar with the person. फॅमिलियर म्हणजे चांगली ओळख तुमची आहे. तुम्ही प्राचार्याने लिहिताना असं लिहायचं नाही. रिस्पेक्टेड सर वगैरे आपण असं स्टार्ट करत असतो. रिस्पेक्टेड सर, द नेम ऑफ द इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स, देन सब्जेक्ट दॅट यू वॉन्ट TC ट्रान्सफर सर्टिफिकेट. द सब्जेक्ट शुड बी लाईक दिस वन, दॅट हा सब्जेक्ट अशा पद्धतीने लिहू शकता की द ॲप्लिकेशन फॉर TC or transfer certificate. Then respected sir or madam. Okay, and then you should start with that I am the students of this college. I am studying, or I have been studying in first year, second year, final year of arts or commerce faculty or science faculty or engineering medical stream. Write your name but as suggested in the question paper. Accordingly, the question you should write, you should use the name, the address, and what kind of a question is given. If it is the question has an informal sense, you should write the informal, or you should start with the informal statement. Otherwise you should start with the formal statement like respected sir and madam or madam. The principal, the name of the institution, the subject, in subject that you should write the application for transfer certificate. Then start with the respected madam and or respected sir. Then start with that I am the students of this college. I am studying in this first year, second year, final year class, and my father is working in this department and he has been now transferred to another place. In this way that I need a transfer certificate to continue my higher education or my study. So you are kindly requested to give me my transfer certificate. Then thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. This is the closing line. Closing lines, a complimentary close, as such that we can say that this is a complimentary close, that you are very humble at the end of the or in the throughout the letter. Then write down like that letter of complaint, inquiry, that sincerely, yours faithfully. Okay, this kind of formal aim that you use in that letter. Then your name as suggested or given in the question paper. Then class that you mention, or the question in the question the question mentions your class, and in this way that you sum up for the letter, not letter but application for TC. Then when we come to the point of application for job, this is formal, informal, of both kind, that we write the application for the job. In the next video that we will see about the application for job in detail. Thank you. Till then, goodbye.